Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Here we go. This easy chocolate fudge recipe is rich, creamy, and unbelievably simple. Made with just 3 ingredients and no candy thermometer required. Perfect for holidays, dessert trays, or homemade edible gifts. This foolproof fudge comes together on the stovetop in minutes. Right, so we can use chocolate chips or we can chop up some chocolate bars. Okay, we're going to line an 8x8 square baking dish with foil or parchment paper, leaving excess hangover on the sides. Rub the foil or parchment paper with butter and set aside. We're going to add the chocolate and the sweetened condensed milk to a medium saucepan. We're going to place that over low heat and cook, stirring constantly until the chocolate is fully melted and the mixture is smooth and thick, about 5 minutes. We're going to transfer the chocolate mixture to our prepared pan and smooth out the top evenly with a spatula. Set that aside to cool completely and firm up about 3 hours, or you can refrigerate that for 2 hours. Once that's set, lift the fudge out using the foil or the parchment paper, peel it away, and cut into squares with a sharp knife. So there you go, chocolate fudge. Enjoy! You can store that in an airtight container at room temperature or refrigerated. Keeps for about 2 weeks. The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.